Okay, are you Jordan Thomas?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Thomas is charged in cause number 24 DCCR 0487 with sexual assault of a child, and in cause number 24 DCCR 2178 with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And Ms. Holmes filed a motion to reduce the bond. Is that in each of his cases?
And just the sexual assault.
Which is $100,000 in that case presently. And I know this was recently filed. Mr. Hoffpower, are you ready to proceed on that, or do you need time?
We don't need time.
All right, Ms. Holmes, do you intend to call your client?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Mr. Thomas, please raise your right hand the best you can. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. You may proceed.
Thank you. And your name is Jordan Thomas, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Thomas, how long have you been incarcerated at the Jefferson County Correctional Facility?
9 months.
9 months. And in those 9 months, has your bond been set at $100,000 for the offense of the sexual assault?
Yes, ma'am.
And has your family during that time tried to inquire about helping you make bail, but have been unable to due to the amount of it?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you have any property at this time or anything of value that you could sell that could arise to the amount to be able to bond out at $100,000? Okay, and have you all worked diligently within these 9 months to try to get that done but have not been able to?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to reduce your bond in an amount reasonable, and that you will abide by any conditions, and also whatever court appearances that you will be present, and that you will not be a flight risk?
Yes, ma'am.
So there was a bond forfeiture for non-appearance. That's why it's at $100,000 back in June of 2024. Why'd you miss your court date?
You got no answer.
Okay, you just didn't feel like getting up and coming? I mean,
No,
so she's asking me to reduce,
Transportation either, but
I can't hear you.
I had transportation. I stayed home for. I tried to come, but
Did you call anybody? And
I called the bell. I called the bell when I was coming. I told them probably wouldn't make it. They told me to, turn myself in. So, the day of court, they wanted me to turn myself in
right,
after I missed the court date.
okay. So why didn't you, when did you do that?
I believe that's
Did
when
you turn yourself in, or were you
No,
arrested?
I turned myself in
When?
December 19th.
So you decided between June and December you would just kind of hang out and see if anybody caught you knowing there was a bond forfeiture?
No, I didn't know it was a bond for.
Well, if you don't show up for court, you don't get to just not show up for court and not have any consequences and just chill out and wait till whenever, right? Mr. Hoffpower,
I don't have any questions, Judge, just arguing.
what's your position?
My position, Your Honor, in light of 17.15, danger to community, just on the original charge, which we're here today on sexual assault, I think the bonds would be high sufficient because of, due to the allegations and due to the danger of children in the community. Also, I want to add, obviously, the court knows there's another case that is before the court in yours, and it is another serious, dangerous felony. It was committed while he was on bond and in bond forfeiture on his sexual assault case. So that he proved my point.
So
I know it's like similar actions, but it is.
the offense date on the aggravated assault with a deadly weapon is from August of 2024. And so, hold on, when was the bond forfeiture?
June.
July.
No, you said June, July.
June of
I
2024.
don't know why he wasn't arrested. He was arrested, or I don't know,
Why,
Okay.
because the police interacted with him.
there
that
should have
night.
been a forfeiture and a warrant on the other case at that time as well.
Yeah.
So while you were out on bond is when this new allegation allegedly happened. Let me look at the PC on that one as well real quick. There was a warrant. I don't think he was arrested. This shows the Capia's return was from December, so that's when he turned himself in, probably on both of them.
how
Yeah.
they presented something different.
No,
That's
I'm just
not
saying, I don't think he got, I think that's, hold on a second, I can't read this, I gotta print it out. I'm printing the PC. Okay. Your motion's denied, based on the fact that you were out on bond and allegedly committed this offense, which gives me some concern, which is the aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And you missed your court date and really have no good reasons why or what you were doing other than potentially getting new cases. I'm going to leave your bond at 100,000. You can go back with the bailiff. We'll get an announcement at the next court date.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me find it. Are you Nia Miller?
She's hard of hearing, Judge. So she can.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. And are you Nia Miller?
Yes.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
She will, Your Honor. It's actually a motion, Judge.
Oh, okay, of the motion, I'm sorry. Stand up, ma'am. Ms. Miller, in cause number 24-2227, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. It shows that you were placed on probation January 14th of 2025 for the state jail felony offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle, and that was a 3-year deferred probation. Is that correct? It alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you failed to report as directed January 16th of 2025. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count 2 alleges that you did not provide verification of performing the community service hours. Is that true or not true? True. Count 3 alleges that you're behind in your court-assessed fees. Is that true or not true?
True.
Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, and 3 freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas?
Yes.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes.
And do you understand if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Ms. Miller is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to 1, 2, and 3 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, find you guilty of unauthorized use of a vehicle. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 1 year in the Jefferson County Jail under Section 1244 of the Penal Code. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I have also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition.
I can't.
You cannot for some amount of time. If you have, you should read that document. It'll explain that to you. If you have any questions about it, you can talk to Mr. Rojas to find out how long it lasts and what all that rules are. But you can read that document. It has the information. All right, do you understand?
So with my time, with the time in, do I still have more time to do?
I don't know how much credit you get, but you will get credit for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. They'll figure out that later today. The clerk will and send it over to the jail.
Okay.
Okay? You can go back with the bailiff. See, Bryce Bordeaux, it's a sentencing.